TechBoard here is an advanced structural sheathing that can be used to replace any interior or exterior sheathing product that could be OSB or drywall. TechBoard comes in 4x8, 4x9, and 4x10 variety, ½ inches thick. We also have a 4x8 1/4 inch non-structural sheathing. This would be used dictated by your project architect as specified on your project. Our sheathing here has a square edge, so it allows for a butt joint or gap as dictated by your project's needs. ZS2's proprietary magnesium cement is used in our product, provides superior fire rating, strength. It performs extremely well in moist environments, whether that be mold, mildew resistant. So it's a more resilient, lighter solution to traditional cement materials. Our sheathing is 1/3 of the carbon footprint of traditional Portland cement. Magnesium cement is lighter because it has a lower density than typical Portland cement. ZS2's product has been used in multiple different assemblies that have been tested for both a 1-hour and a 2-hour structural and non-structural fire-rated assembly. The sheathing itself has a flame spread index of 0 and a smoke spread index of less than 5. Our sheathing here performs extremely well in moist environments. Over full submersion, it doesn't have a breakdown in the structural integrity. Therefore, less remediation, more resiliency, and better use in these high climactic areas. TechBoard can be used or interfaced with any typical construction method, whether that be stick frame, light gauge steel, or really anything else you would apply typical sheathing to. TechBoard can be finished the same as any typical construction sheathing, but it's important to defer to your local code or authority having jurisdiction. You can always leave that with envelope engineer or the architect, and ZS2 is happy to interface with them. TechBoard does not require any special treatment during or after install. It's similar to any traditional sheathing method or cement boards, and it can be finished the same way, cut the same way with the same tools you would use on a day-to-day job site. TechBoard's a great solution because it provides superior fire rating, water resistance, it's lighter, and performs better over time than the traditional sheeted goods that are on the market currently.